This is our Zeo SPF Powder Brush 40. We just launched this. We're really excited about it. It's one of the first powder brush sunscreens that has a magnetic head. So what's great is you can pop it right off. You can wash your bristles so that your makeup doesn't get, clumped together on your bristles and they get wet and it's difficult to apply. One other really nice thing with this is it's a vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, medical-grade, high-quality bristles. So when you feel them, they are so soft. They're just like velvet. They're not going to irritate the skin at all. They're gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin, where some makeup bristles can, get loose and come out when you're putting your makeup on. This, because of the magnetic head, will never come loose, which is a really lovely feature as well. But super soft, not going to scratch your skin at all. Health Canada always tells us to reapply our sunscreen every 2 hours. Realistically, we don't do it, right? When we have a lotion, we have makeup on for the day. So that's where your powder brush comes in so handy. So what we say to do is wear your primary lotion sunscreen in the morning. That's going to be the first thing you put on in the morning after your other moisturizers. And then do your powder brush on the go. Put this on at lunchtime, leave it in your bag or your purse when you're on the go, and this is going to replace your makeup, and you're getting your SPF 40 in here as well. So this has a really smart technology in it. The ingredient is called marshmallow powder extract, and what that ingredient does is it mops up oil in your skin, which we want to get rid of, because remember, oil is really a big enemy to the skin, but it can recognize the difference between oil and water, where any powder brush or powder on the market can't, and it just mops everything up and it leaves your skin quite dry and can give a cakey appearance as well. So this is going to absorb your oil, but it's going to leave your skin luminous with that glow from your other products you're using, which is really lovely. It's a 24.4% zinc oxide, 23.4% titanium dioxide, so you have really high physical blocks in here. And then I just want to show you something. It comes in a light, medium, and deep shade, so 3 different shades. I'm the light shade. This is what I'm demoing today. Medium is our most popular. That's really our universal shade that can cover Fitzpatrick 2 to 4. And then deep is really lovely for bronzing or contouring in the cheek area, or if you just want a bit of a bronze finish on the skin. And then deep's going to be Fitzpatrick 5 and 6. So when you get your powder, you're just going to screw it all the way to the right into the bottom of the makeup brush container, and then to prime and start your powder out of the brush head. And I also just want to mention the bristles are dome shaped. So what that means is your powder is going to come out nice and evenly. You know how sometimes if you buy a powder brush, it only comes out of one section of the brush? This comes out really nice and evenly on the surface. So when you prime it, you move it all the way to the right. And here you can control your flow, so you can do max flow depending on what kind of coverage you want. I really like minimum flow. That gives you really nice coverage. So minimal is almost to taking the brush head down, but you want to be at max when you prime your bristles, and then once the powder starts coming out, then you can go back to min flow, and then to close your brush, you just twist it all the way to left, and you have your little top to go on. So this is $83. It also has hydrators in it to replenish hydration and lipids to your skin, which is really important, and it protects your skin from that triple spectrum protection, the HEV light, which is indoor, the IRA, which is that infrared light that's harmful for the skin, and then your broad spectrum UVA, UVB. And what's so lovely is this will keep your skin with that Zeo glow, and it really hides your pores as well, so it gives the skin this beautiful airbrushed finish. So that's our SPF Powder Brush 40.